Well, gotta empty this trash can here, but I'm too lazy. So I think I'm gonna wait till I'll just make my kids do that. I'll wait. Here comes cousin Jeb.
Yeah.
He's been working on the lathe.
Got my extra safeties. I found that Napa ball.
Oh, that's good.
It's flying here. It's been sitting stored for a while.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, tell us about this awesome lathe helmet you got here.
Yeah. I got extra safeties on. See?
Yeah, in case.
Got triples. It's good triple size. Good safeties.
Double defense.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa.
Man.
Triple defense, man.
That's dusty.
Yeah, it's a little
shield.
dusty.
Oh, I got some scratches on there. Yeah. Okay.
Here's this Jeb.
Yeah. Where is that?
He dropped his hat. A shield.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's 2x4.
Go see what you've been working on this lathe.
Not hurting you a little bit.
See what you've been working on over here on this lathe. Jeb, you're gonna show us his lathe now. It's a little bit dark. I think it's too dark back here, Jeb.
Yeah, can't see anything. Let me turn some lights on.
Yep, hold on, we'll get this light on here and go bam, right in your face.
Okay.
So he's got a new piece on here.
Got the swirl bit.
So what are you gonna make this into, Jeb?
I don't know.
Okay, he doesn't know.
Leg, maybe.
Chair leg for that one you fell over in that one video.
Yeah, I'm gonna fix that chair. That's my plan. It's a good idea, actually. Yeah, I'm gonna fix that chair. So we're gonna make a new one. Yeah. Okay. Well, I think that's a good video for you guys. So.
Next video, we'll be showing you the lathe in action.
Next video, I'm showing this leg in action. Or this wood in action. Whatever you want to call it.
This leg.
Video.
Subscribe or die.